Hello my dear children, how are you all? Hope you all are good and well. Welcome to our value education class. Today we will learn lesson 4 of our value education series, and our lesson is food habits. We need food when we are hungry. Our body needs food to grow strong and healthy. Food gives us energy for work and play. Good food makes our body strong. Good nutrition and balanced diet help kids to grow properly. So in this lesson, the situation of summer camp is explained. It was the last day of 3-day summer camp conducted for the students of class 4th. All the children participated in the competition held during the camp. They got the chance to work and play together. Now it was time to distribute the prizes for the competition held during the camp days. Their headmaster was distributing the prizes. All the children did remarkable job in the competition, but finally Sonu is selected as the best camper. All the children applauded and cheered up Sonu. But Vishal was confused. He asked to his teacher who was selected as the best camper. The teacher replied, "Dear children, your teachers have been observing you from the very first day of the camp. They have found you all obedient and disciplined, but they found some unique qualities in Sonu. Actually, it is his teamwork and gentle behavior which made him distinct." After this, the teacher asked few questions from the children in the camp, like, do they remember their own food habits, especially in the camp? They had washed their hands before eating food. They lined up and got their food, and they did prayer together. The teacher asked, was that all? The teacher asked again, who has eaten food very fast and washed the plates after eating food and swept the dining hall that day? Anu and Manu replied by raising their hand that they had cleaned the hall. The teacher also asked that who washed the waste basket that day? Santosh replied that he did it. Then the teacher told that there was half a basket of rice and vegetables. Again the teacher asked few more questions, that how many of them had eaten all the food served in the plate, and how many of them can say that they did not spill any food on the floor? How many of them waited till all the students collected their food? No one replied. Then the teacher asked Sonu to come forward and describe how he used to take food. Sonu came forward and told, firstly I waited for all the children and took special care not to spill food while eating, because his mama told not to waste food and also always be careful about it. Mom had also asked me not to waste food because there are many children in the world who do not get enough food to eat. So we should not waste food. The teacher also made it clear by giving the example of Gandhiji. There are many people in the world so hungry that God cannot appear to them except in the form of bread. Then the teacher continued by saying that, children, we must treat food with utmost respect because it is God-given gift. The children replied that they were not aware about this, but from now onwards they will not waste food. After this, Sonu continued by saying that his mother says we should take a variety of fruits and vegetables, because fruits, vegetables, milk, meat, egg makes a balanced diet. All the children gave a huge round of applause in appreciation to Sonu. After this, teacher added few more good food habits, that they should sit straight and should not make noise while eating food. They should eat what their mom gives them to eat. They should not overeat their favorite food because it will make them sick and weak. After listening this, Tina asked, why should they eat vegetables? The teacher made it more clear by telling the importance of fruits and vegetables, because it is very helpful for the growth of our body, provides energy to our body, and also asked not to take junk food because it is not good for our health. So, my dear children, we must take a balanced diet and say no to junk food forever and be your mama's wisest kid. John Hubbard, a famous actor, says, "The path to obesity is so tasty. Some food items may not be so tasty, but they may be good for our health." Another writer, Cervantes, says, "Hunger is the best sauce in the world." So children, hope you understood the lesson well. Now you have to share some good food habits that you got from this lesson. And at last, some questions are given on page 22 and 23. So try to do these questions. Let us conclude this lesson with a prayer. Will you join with me? Let us pray. Bless us, O Lord, and the food you have offered us today. Bless my mother and all those who worked hard to prepare it. So children, practice this in your life. Thank you all.